Hello everyone, welcome back to Foxtecc, and in this video we're going to be talking about how you can stop your AirPods from being tracked. This can be important if you're planning to, let's say, sell your AirPods, or you're giving them away, or whatever you want to do. Let's dive into the steps you need to take to ensure your AirPods are no longer linked to your Apple ID. First, we need to access the device settings. Start by opening the Find My app on your device, on your iPhone or iPad, and once you're in, navigate to the Devices tab. Here, you will see a list of all your Apple devices that are connected to your Apple ID, which includes iPhones, Macs, and of course, your AirPods. This step is crucial because you need to find them in here, but next, we need to remove the AirPods from your Apple ID. In the list of devices, select your AirPods and you'll see an option that says Remove this device. Click on that button, and what this does is that it disassociates your AirPods from your Apple ID. This action ensures that your AirPods will no longer appear in your network, making them impossible to track unless they are connected to the internet with Find My activated. Now we can move on to manually resetting the AirPods. This step is essential as it not only disassociates them from your Apple ID, but also ensures that they are reset to factory settings. To do this, take your AirPods and press and hold the Setup button located on the back of the AirPods case. Hold this button for about 15 to 20 seconds until you see a white light blinking. This light indicates that your AirPods are ready to pair with a new device. And the effect of this manual reset is also important because it returns them to the factory settings, as I said, so they are going to appear as new, but also don't forget to remove them from the Find My just in case. So this is how you can do this stuff. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, hit the thumbs up, subscribe below, and I'll catch you in the future.